On Saturday, the Greenwood Farmers Market played host to the Emerald City Spring Car Show, an event packed with classic charm, custom creativity, and community spirit. Hosted by Opie, Shirk, and Rebecca Gurney, the show featured an impressive collection of vehicles, from beautifully restored classics to bold custom builds that turned heads. William and Kelly from New Day Branding were on site to cover the event, William capturing video with aerial footage, while Kelly photographed the day through the lens of the Nikon. But the cars were just part of the story. Dozens of local vendors filled the market with handcrafted goods, original artwork, home decor, and more, offering something for just about everyone. Food trucks lined the lot, serving up everything from comfort food to sweet treats, making sure no one left hungry. It was a vibrant day, full of small-town charm, and New Day Branding was proud to be there, capturing every moment. If you're planning an event or need help with video, branding, photography, or web, reach out to New Day Branding. Let's build something unforgettable.